Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my Tube Domination review. Okay, you're welcome to this channel. Okay, my name is Lucky Ato, and you're welcome to this channel, Affiliate Game Changer. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product that just came out. It is called Tube Domination. Okay, but before then, if you're new to this channel, considering subscribing to this channel. Okay, subscribe to this channel, like my video. If you find value in my video, you like it. Okay, drop your comment in the description below. And hey, do not go, make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be reviewing my mouth watering bonuses, how you're going to be getting my mouth watering bonuses. Okay, so in this video today, I want to review a brand new product that just came out. It is hot right now. It is called the Tube Domination. Okay, now you may be asking, what is Tube Domination? Actually, Tube Domination is a step-by-step course, video training course, okay, that teaches you how to leverage on the power of YouTube, on the power of free massive traffic on YouTube, and start building a solid business for yourself. Okay, so this is a brand new product that was created by these three brilliant men. If you have been in the if you have been in the internet marketing space for a while, you will know these three brilliant men. One among them is my mentor. His name is Wen. Okay, so this one over here is called Keti Doherty. Okay, Y followed by Mani Hanif. Sorry if I pronounce it wrongly. Mani Hanif. Then with my mentor Crown Weni. Okay, Weni Crown. Okay, so these are the three brilliant men behind this product. So actually, this product is a step-by-step video guide that takes you from a beginner to a ninja in terms of generating sales with free traffic on YouTube. Okay, so in a few seconds now, I'm going to hop into the members area. Okay, I laid my hand on this product also, so that I'll review it so that you see how it works. So this is the Tube Domination. It is hot right now, and these guys really did a great job. I must really commend them on this product. Okay, they really did a great job. Right now, it's the launch is about to end. So if you hop in now and you get this product right now, you're going to be buying it at a whoopee price of 13.45 or so. Okay, because the price is increasing gradually. And if you buy this product through my link, I'm going to be giving you a huge bonus. Okay, a huge mouth watering bonuses. So with that being said, let me hop into the back office, okay, into the members area, so that you actually see what Tube Domination is all about. Okay, so here is it. I've already logged in. This is my back office. So once you sign up to Tube Domination product, all right, once you sign up and get this Tube Domination for 13.45 right now, okay, that is the front end product, because they have three OTOs. Sorry, they have the front end and two OTOs. The first OTO is their done for you description swipe, okay, where you just copy and paste their high converting description into your YouTube video description, and you start generating massive conversion with their description. They also have their OTO2, which is the sniper keyword tool, a keyword that draws in high targeted long tail keyword for you, low competition keyword for you from Google, from YouTube, from Amazon, from including eBay. Okay, so wherever you want to promote, you can use their keyword tool to get high converting, low competition keyword. All right, so with that being said, this is Tube Domination. This is my back office. As you can see it, this is my member area. I'm a member of Tube Domination. I got the product. Okay, so this is the first thing that you see once you come in. This is their Facebook access group. So once you sign up to Tube Domination, you're going to have access to their mastermind group. Is a group on Facebook. I'm already in the group right now. So on this group, they share they share testimonials. You get motivated. They share tips when it's really doing a great job there, when is a really an experienced marketer. Okay, when has been there for over 12 years, so he knows about this stuff, guys. He knows about this stuff. He drops useful tips that helps you in the group and everyone. And also, if you have questions, there are other people there to help you out. Okay, so on this other side is the get started. Okay, where the course itself is being introduced by Katie. Okay, where Katie introduced the course to you, tell you what you're supposed to. Okay, he just rearrange your mindset, prepare you for the main course on itself. Okay, so after that, after they get started, then this is the Tube Domination itself, the main training itself. It is a 7-step training. Okay, a 7-step training where they walk you by through the 7 steps, what you need to do from step 1, from step 2. So this is the step 1, and after each video tutorial you have some resource to download and follow up. Okay, they give you some resource to download, follow up. So this is the first step, how to make money. Then the second step is called the deep market dive. Now the deep market dive tells you all about how to research your market out. Okay, how to research your market out, how to find out profitable market to dive into, how to identify quality niches to go after. That is what the deep market dive is all about. These guys really did a great job, and it is very, very brilliant. Okay, now the third step is called your black swine. Now your black swine is how you tap into that market. Okay, your strategy of tapping into the market and leveraging into the market. Now you have your money deck. The money deck simply means the content that you use to leverage on that market, how to create your content. Is all about the money deck, the content. This money deck is just going to show you simple strategies of creating simple videos. When we talk about making money on YouTube, once people hear YouTube, okay, they get scared. They get so frightened because they are too afraid to appear on the camera. Okay, they are too afraid of appearing on the camera, or they are too shy. Okay, but with this money deck now, you're going to be taught how to create simple videos without you appearing on the video. Okay, so you're going to learn how to create simple videos, upload them on YouTube, and start cashing out. It's as serious as that, guys. I mean every single word that I'm saying, because I've gone through this, and with my years of experience in marketing, this is really brilliant, and I'm so excited that I laid my hand on Tube Domination. Okay, so the next one is your setup B, how to set up the whole system to be up and running, to start to get to work. Okay, to set up the whole process. Then deploy your money magnet. It's going to show you how to deploy everything, and all right, show you how to deploy the system itself, how to get started. Oh, sorry for this is a network connection issue. Then the next one is leverage on free traffic. Okay, it shows you how to leverage on free traffic. In short, this course is really brilliant. Now this is the 7th step. Okay, this is the main 7th step of Tube Domination. Then they also have additional strategies. These are the advanced strategies, how to build, how to create those simple videos, how to multiply your views, how to rank them, how to identify new trend and win big on YouTube. This is really awesome, guys. This is really awesome. Now after that, after you have gone through the 7 steps, you have gone through the additional tube strategy. Okay, then the next step is a course created by Ketty himself. He called it the science of getting rich. Okay, now he actually developed on the science of getting rich. I'm sure you guys have read the book, The Science of Getting Rich. Now he talked something about the mind, your mindset, because he says no matter how you can, no matter what you teach to a man, if you don't work on the mindset of a man, okay, it's just like pouring water in an empty basket, okay, it's not gonna stick. So he talked about, your mindset, how you approach things in life, okay, because your mindset determines if you're gonna be successful in whatever you decide to do, or you're gonna be a failure. Now, in the new science of getting rich that he developed on, he talked about gratitude. Can you see it over here? Talked about gratitude, why you need to be grateful for what you have, why you need to be gratitude for whatever you're doing. Okay, talked about gratitude. Then the second step about the science of getting rich by Katie rather, is thoughts. Okay, your thoughts, your desires equals to things. What you think, the way you think about things. Okay, if you think about failure, you're gonna be a failure. If you think about success, you're gonna be a success. Okay, so he really touched a lot on your thoughts. He talked about visualization. Okay, to visualize things, how you visualize things, how you see things. He really expatiated on it. As you can see it on the on the image over on the video here. He talked about your visualization, because what you visualize, you really actualize. That is the truth, okay? And each step of this also comes with some worksheets and some worksheets that you go through and download, okay? He talks about feeling, he talks about belief, he talks about receive, okay? If you believe, you're gonna receive. Also, he still talked about this gratitude again, okay? He still talked about this gratitude, all right, because you need to be grateful for whatever you have, because whatever you have, if you're not grateful for it, then you're not going to access more. That is the law of the universe, okay? So these are the bonus that you get by getting Tube Domination, which is really, really worth it. It is highly, highly worth it, guys. Then the next one is the case study. As you can see, these are case studies, the case studies of those that have implemented this course and have really made, like this first case study, how I generated over 250 subs using organic traffic. YouTube is really big right now. YouTube is really big, but you really need to know the strategies that, because the competition also is tight. So with Tube Domination gives you the edge. It gives you an unfair advantage, because these guys are gurus in this thing. They show you how to optimize your video, how to rank your video like a ninja. Okay, what others are not doing, you come in, you do that, you overrank them. That is the idea of Tube Domination. Okay, I hope you're following, guys. I hope I'm really excited that I got this product right now. Now the second case study is how I got 14K views with a single video. That is awesome. That took me just 10 minutes. Like I told you, you don't need to be on the camera. With this course, you're going to learn how to create simple videos, and just simple videos that you can just create and upload and rank those videos and start generating traffic to your offers, to your clients, to your e-commerce store, whatever it is that you want to do. You direct the traffic wherever you want to direct the traffic to. Okay. Now, case study number 3, $800 ad spend, 4K revenue in cost sale. Okay, you're going to show you how to run ads, okay, how to leverage YouTube ad, which is powerful right now. So this is it about the front end course. This is it about the step-by-step training of Tube Domination. Okay, now under Tube Domination, you get access to Tube Domination group, as I just told you guys, to their Facebook group. Now this is their support. Their support is top notch. If you have any issues, just mail them and they'll get back to you immediate. Well, not immediately, but they are very, very responsive. Okay, they are very, very responsive. I just try them out. I send them an email, and at least I got a reply within 10-15 minutes, which is not bad. Okay, because the product is still in launch and they are getting huge influx of sales. So getting back to me 15 minutes is really not bad. okay. Then Tube Domination money link. Now if you subscribe and you buy this product, you're gonna have an opportunity to also promote Tube Domination, okay. I bought this product. I love the product because it really offered me value for my money. So I'm now confident enough to recommend this product to anybody because I've gone through it. I've seen that yes, it really worth it. Okay. So if you go through the course and you feel that the course is worth it, okay, you can also recommend it and you make money from it also, right? With everything that you've learned, you can just go grab this course and start promoting and start making money instantly, okay. Then they also have full rights. They give you resell rights to their course, to Tube Domination course, and also not only the course, to their done for you email swipe description, sorry, swipe description, not email, done for you swipe descriptions, pre-written description that you can use in your YouTube video description. They also give you rights to their keyword snapper software. I told you about their keyword snapper software that brings, okay, is a one-time fee software that gets you high traffic, low competition keywords, okay, that research these keywords for you and bring it out for you, all right, from any source that you want, be it on YouTube, be it on Google, be it on Amazon, be it on eBay. So these are their major down sales, okay, upsells and downsells. They are done for you email, done for you YouTube description. They are keyword sniper software, okay. So this is it about the Tube Domination, guys. If you've heard about this Tube Domination and you're still wondering what is Tube Domination, at least with this my review, you now know what Tube Domination is all about. At least you can make good purchase decision on it. This is a review from a real user, okay. This is a review from a real user. So if you're really interested in getting this course, this tool and their software, whatever it is, if you're interested, check the link in the description below. I have a huge bonuses for you, like I promised you. If you stay to the end of this video, just check the link in the description below. Go grab Tube Domination. Use the link to grab the Tube Domination. Hit me an email, okay, and I'll forward my mouth-watering bonuses to you, okay. These bonuses are mouth-watering, all right. I'm gonna send them to you. So John, just do not take my word for it. Take action and see the kind of bonuses I'm gonna send to you, okay. So these are the guys behind the course. This is Wen himself, okay. This is Hanif and this is Katie Dotty, all right. Sorry if I didn't get their names right, all right. Thank you. So this is my Tube Domination review and I hope that I've been able to explain what Tube Domination is all about. So this is their sales page. Once you click on the link in the description below, it brings you over to this place where you can now get it for, sorry, okay, can you see it has increased 13.94 because it was 13.45. Now this is 13.94. If you grab it now, you save yourself an extra cost, okay. So that is it for Tube Domination, guys. That is it for Tube Domination. If you're interested, like I said, check the link in the description below and grab your copy now, okay. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that this video was able to explain what this product is all about and I hope I didn't bore you guys, right? Thank you for watching. So before you go, please kindly subscribe to this channel, okay. I drop valuable okay videos on this channel regularly, so kindly subscribe, like. If you have any question, just drop the comment in the description below, all right. Also share this video with your friends and families if you find it awesome, if you find it valuable, okay. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my Tube Domination review. Lucky Ato here and I'm out. Bye guys.